Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Group VEM. Our project is solar cleans and automatic solar panel cleaner. What is it? Streamline operation, improve efficiency and create new revenue opportunity. Our technology promised to redefine industry standard and prove the way for the smarter. The problem and market need. First, inefficiency, reduce energy efficiency. Next is high maintenance costs. Next is inconsistent cleaning and limited accessibility. How does solar cleaners work? First, automatic cleaning, versatility, precision cleaning and cost reduction. Prototype and design, cost efficiency. First, low cost prototype. Total build cost RM354 Malaysia. Next is modular design, component like tires RM15 per unit and motor 27 per unit. Proven saving, cuts manual cleaning cost by 50%. Benefit is economic, reduce operation cost and payback period. Next is environmental use, biodegradable cleaning agent and lower carbon footprint. The last one is convenience, remote monitoring via cloud-based UI with real-time analytics and schedule. Competition, unlike traditional solution, our technology offer adaptability and real-time insight, giving it a unique advantage. Call to action. For the target market, utility scale solar farm, commercial installation and residential user. Partnership, collaborate with Renewable Energy Association. The last one is investment, low R&D, manufacturing cost with high ROI. That's all from us.